So let's go over the checkpoint on page 450. Number 1, 1/8 to the 0 power is
1.
1. All right, -9 to the -2 power is
1/81.
correct.
Okay.
So the reason is it becomes 1 over -9 squared. But what's -9 squared? -9 times -9, which becomes positive. So 1/81. And then 1/2 to the -3 power.
-8.
Now be careful. That negative is going with the exponent. It's not going with the coefficient, or the base, I mean.
Okay.
Okay, so that 1/2 to the -3 power, first of all, let's rewrite it with a positive exponent. So remember, if it's a negative exponent, it becomes the reciprocal, and then this changes to positive.
So 2 to the
2 to the third.
Okay.
And that becomes
8.
8.
Okay.
So this sign has no effect on the actual sign of this number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
It only goes with the exponent.
Okay.
Okay, and then 1/-5 to the -2 power. So first you're going to write it with a positive exponent. What does that become?
5 squared.
It's -5 squared, and then -5 squared becomes
25.
25. Good.
Okay.
All right, good. All right, now they're gonna add a little more complexity.
Okay.
And you're going to throw in some of your other things that some of the other properties that you learned the other day.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so on example 3, it says evaluate the expression. All right, so you get 6, and you're trying to find the value of that expression. That's what that means. 6 to the 4th. All right, so what is that? So which property am I using here? I don't know. Let me number these. 1, 2, I don't like the names.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sometimes you might have a combination of them, but all right. So which one are you going to use here?
2.
2. And so when I use 2, what does this become? 6 to the
0.
0. But 6 to the 0 equals
1.
1. All right, now we got 2 to the -3 raised to the -2 power. All right, so which property am I going to use now?
4. Oh wait, no. 3.
3. Okay, and so this becomes what?
2 to the negative.
Okay.
Oh wait, no.
-3
Positive.
times -2.
Positive
6. And I think that is 2 to the 5th is 32, so this is going to be 64. All right, and now we got -3 times 2, -3 times 2 to the -2 power. All right, and I try not to think too much about what anything means. I just follow these things, and then I simplify it at the end, okay? I was like, what the heck does that mean? All right, so which property should we follow first, do you think?
4.
4. And so this becomes what?
-3 to the -2nd. And 2 to the -2nd.
All right, and then now which property should I follow?
2.
No, I can't follow 2 because this is not.
Oh, yeah.
These are not the same base.
Mm-hmm. You could.
It's kind of a combination. I mean, I'm going to have to do this twice with, like this one.
Okay.
Okay. So -3 to the 2 is the same thing as what? 1 over.
1 over
-3
2
squared. Okay. Over, and that's 1 over 2 squared. So what is that? So what's -3 squared?
9
Times 2 squared.
36.
Okay, wait, hold on. You got the 9, right?
Okay.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
Times
You're right. All right, 1 over 36. Yes, you were right. I was thinking 8 18, I don't know why. Okay, yes, 1 over 36. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and do the checkpoint